What's up, my beautiful people? It's your girl Nicia, and today we'll be going to Hotel on the Cay to finish up Janai's birthday weekend. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hotel on the Cay. Leilani tired? Good, and you? Hotel on the Cay. Thank you. Y'all ready to have some fun? Yeah. Janai is the only hype one in this group, Ayo. Ridiculous. Nene, you can't find your bucket? Caleb and Janai have your bucket. You see?
Terrifying territories I can't take it.
Go now. Nene studying my girl.
A week. What's your phone tonight? A week.
Nene, what's going on?
Come in and share, Johnny. Hi, you're
Chunks, say hi. Say hi. Yeah. Oh, you hate videos now? She swears she hot in our aisle. Love to take a picture. You're tossing, girl. And I was about to say, come, let me see you float. You're twisting and turning. I say you're twisting and turning. Okay, good. Go ahead. Go ahead. The beach is fun, you guys. It's been a nice day. About to leave in a couple of minutes. So, let's see them enjoy. Oh, no, you have energy? What's up, y'all? So, I just got home from the airport. I just reached back to Houston, and Mr. Raheem told me to wait 5 minutes in the car. So I don't know what he's up to, but I need to go inside. But yeah, so we're gonna see what he's doing because he's crazy. I just come home from St. Croix, right? And my man love me, Ayo. Look. Aww. This is so cute. I am loved. I am loved. Where you going? Thank you, baby. Ayo, he even had the trail in the bathroom. He had the trail, Ayo. Yes, sir. I am loved. Oh, baby, I love it. I love it so much. And then he got a picture, Ayo. He got a picture. I am loved. I promise I am loved. I love you. Oh, baby.